everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to add bio on Patreon. So if you also want to add bio on Patreon, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, go to the search bar and type in www.patreon.com, and then you'll be led to the official website of Patreon. You can see over here, I'm already on the official website of Patreon. Make sure you're in the My Page interface. Simply click on the My Page option that you can see at the left. Now what you have to do is scroll down. Now here you'll be able to see the option for describe your page. Simply click on this option right over here. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can also see option for intro video, and here you can see the option for adding the bio. Simply click on this box. Now type in the bio. Make sure to make your bio very attractive since it is very important part of your Patreon page. Now scroll down. Now here you'll be able to see the option for save. All you have to do is click on it. After that, your bio will be added. So that is how you add bio on Patreon. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.